Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Calvin Park is a well-established residential neighborhood located in the central west area of Kingston, Ontario. The community is known for its quiet streets, mature trees, schools, parks, and convenient location near many of Kingston's major institutions. The neighborhood developed mainly during the 1950s and 60s, a period when Kingston was expanding beyond its historic downtown core into larger suburban communities. Today, Calvin Park remains a popular area for families, retirees, students, and professionals because of its balance between residential living and easy access to the rest of the city. The neighborhood takes its name from Calvin Park Public School, which became an important community landmark as the area developed. Like many suburban neighborhoods built after the Second World War, Calvin Park was designed around schools, parks, and local services. Streets were planned to support growing families, with detached homes, apartment buildings, and green spaces becoming central parts of the community. The area reflects the post-war growth that changed many Canadian cities during the middle of the 20th century. One of the defining features of Calvin Park is its location near several important Kingston institutions. Street, Lawrence College, and Queen's University are both located within a short distance, helping create a mix of students and long-term residents throughout the area. Kingston General Hospital and other healthcare facilities are also nearby, making the neighborhood convenient for workers in education and healthcare. Because of this central location, Calvin Park has remained one of the city's more stable and connected residential communities. The neighborhood is also known for its green spaces and recreational facilities. Calvin Park itself provides sports fields, playgrounds, and walking areas that are used throughout the year. Nearby parks and trails give residents additional access to outdoor activities, while the mature trees lining many streets help create a quieter atmosphere compared with busier commercial sections of the city. Housing in Calvin Park includes a combination of single-family homes, townhouses, and apartment buildings. Many homes were built during the 1950s and 60s and reflect the architectural style of that era, with brick construction, large yards, and practical suburban layouts. Over the years, the neighborhood has become more diverse, with residents from many different backgrounds and age groups living in the area. Kingston is one of Ontario's oldest cities and has a long and important history in Canada. Located where Lake Ontario meets the St. Lawrence River, Kingston became a strategic settlement because of its position between the Great Lakes and the Atlantic trade routes. Indigenous peoples lived and traveled through this area for thousands of years before European settlement began. French traders and explorers arrived during the 17th century, followed later by British military and colonial development. In 1841, Kingston briefly served as the first capital of the province of Canada. Although the capital later moved to other cities, Kingston remained politically and militarily important. Fort Henry, located on a hill overlooking the water, was built to defend the region during tensions between Britain and the United States. Today, Fort Henry is one of Kingston's best-known historic sites and a major tourist attraction recognized as part of a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Kingston is often called the Limestone City because many of its historic buildings were constructed using local limestone. Throughout downtown Kingston, visitors can still see 19th century architecture in churches, government buildings, homes, and commercial streets. Landmarks such as Kingston City Hall and the Waterfront District reflect the city's long connection to politics, trade, and military history. This historic character gives Kingston a different atmosphere compared with many newer Ontario cities. The city has a population of more than 130,000 people. with the larger metropolitan area continuing to grow steadily. Kingston's economy is supported by education, healthcare, government services, tourism, and military activity. Canadian Forces Base Kingston remains one of the city's major employers, while Queen's University contributes significantly to research, culture, and local business activity. The city also attracts visitors year-round because of its waterfront location and historical attractions. Tourism plays an important role in Kingston's identity. During the warmer months, visitors explore the downtown waterfront, take cruises through the Thousand Islands region, and attend festivals and cultural events throughout the city. Kingston is also known for its restaurants, public markets, museums, and live music scene. The city combines a relaxed, small city atmosphere with many of the cultural features usually associated with larger urban centers. Kingston's location on Lake Ontario has shaped daily life here for centuries. Harbors, marinas, and waterfront parks remain central parts of the community. In the summer, boating and sailing are especially popular, while winter brings a quieter pace to the shoreline. Across every season, Kingston balances its military history, educational institutions, natural landscapes, and growing suburban neighborhoods, creating a city that continues to evolve while remaining closely connected to its past. watching.